Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to appeal a disabled Instagram ad account. So if your account of ad has been disabled by Instagram due to any violation or maybe for any other thing, and now you just want to get it back by appealing to the Instagram, then I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you have to simply open up your Instagram app, and once the app gets open you will be onto its home page. At the bottom we have five options. You have to click onto this right one, which is your profile icon. Once you tap on this option you will be into profile, and then you will see three lines on the top right corner. Simply click onto those three lines, then you will be into settings and activity. Then scroll down to the down of page. There you will see this section which is more info and support. You have to click its first option, which is help. And then from all these options you have to select the last option, which is support request. Once you tap onto it, then you have to click onto the third option, which is violations. There you will see your violation through which you have been banned. And you will also see the option appeal onto it. You can click onto that appeal option, then it will take to the next page where you can submit your appeal to get unbanned of your Instagram ad account. In the appeal you can explain your whole scenario, like for what reasons it got banned, what you did, what you didn't do. You are just submitting a request, you are just submitting an appeal for unban. So just simply explain your whole scenario and your appeal will be sent to the Instagram team. Once they review it, then after that they will accept your appeal and remove the ban from your ad account. So that's the only way through which you can appeal for your ban on ad account of Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment, and if you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.